Today, we're going to explore a fascinating question. Quantum mechanics really different from classical mechanics, or are they secretly connected? We'll discuss how the strange quantum world behaves like waves and probabilities. Yet when we zoom out, everything starts looking normal and classical. And finally, we'll ask the biggest question. Could a future theory unite both and change our understanding of reality forever? Hear you what's out.
Hello friends, I am Binod and today guest for the discussion. In the right side, Dr. Saku.
Hi.
And left side, Mr. Gill.
Hi.
Dr. Saku, tell me the truth. Is quantum mechanics and classical mechanics ultimately the same?
Ah, the classic question. Some say yes, some say no. But let me tell you, there's a twist.
Aha, a twist. Is it like a Bollywood movie where the father of quantum mechanics turns out to be classical mechanics' lost brother?
Not quite, Binod. Classical mechanics is like an old-school strict teacher. It believes everything follows fixed rules, no surprises. But quantum mechanics is the rebel, unpredictable and weird. But what makes them so different? Classical mechanics says objects have definite positions and momenta. You can measure them without disturbing the system. Everything is smooth and continuous.
So, like my salary, smooth and predictable?
No, more like the government's tax deductions. Definitely calculable. But quantum mechanics? It's like trying to find your socks in a black hole.
So you're saying
quantum mechanics is weird. Particles act like waves. Their position and momentum are uncertain. They don't follow clear paths like in classical mechanics.
so if I throw a cricket ball, it might suddenly vanish and appear in my neighbor's teacup?
Not exactly. At macroscopic scales, quantum mechanics reduces to classical mechanics. That's called the correspondence principle.
So when we zoom out, quantum weirdness disappears and everything looks normal?
Exactly. At large scales, quantum mechanics starts looking like classical mechanics. Let's see how this works. The laws converge.
But tell me this, could quantum mechanics one day replace classical mechanics entirely?
That is the big question. The universe whispers its secrets in the language of mathematics. What is the question? Are you saying we might find a new theory that explains everything? Maybe. Right now, quantum mechanics is the most accurate theory we have, but who knows? Future discoveries could change everything.
Aha! Maybe a new quantum classical fusion theory? What would that be called? Quantum mechanics 2.0?
Maybe classic quantum mechanics or quantum mechanics reloaded.
You joke, but scientists are already working on quantum gravity, a theory to unify quantum mechanics and relativity.
What if we discover new physics beyond quantum mechanics? Imagine the possibilities.
It's possible. Maybe a deeper reality exists that connects both classical and quantum worlds in ways we don't yet understand.
Like a super quantum world where you can teleport instantly?
Quantum teleportation already exists, in a way, but we're far from Star Trek-style teleportation.
And what about technology? How will quantum mechanics change the future? It will revolutionize everything, from computing to reality itself.
Quantum computing is already changing everything. It can revolutionize cryptography, accelerate drug discovery, and transform artificial intelligence. Soon, we might solve impossible problems.
So quantum mechanics might be the future?
It could change everything we know! The possibilities are infinite!
It's not just the future, it's the foundation of future science and technology!
So, quantum mechanics isn't just weird, it's powerful!
And classical mechanics isn't wrong, just old-fashioned?
Exactly! Classical mechanics works where it should, but quantum mechanics rules the microscopic world.
So, in the end, they're both part of the same story?
Oh, yes! Two sides of the same coin. One deterministic, one probabilistic. Together, they help us understand the universe.
And one day, we might find an even deeper truth. Maybe hyper-quantum mechanics, or quantum mechanics 3.0.
And when that happens, we'll be here to ask, is this the same as quantum mechanics?
And I'll be here to say, there's a twist.
Thank you friends for watching the video. If you love the video, then subscribe the channel.